Every message, video, and website you use travels through a hidden network stretching across entire oceans. The journey begins with one of the purest materials ever manufactured: optical-grade silica glass. The schematics here show a pressure drop in the purification line. I'll verify the gauge readings at the reactor. This massive glass rod will eventually become hundreds of kilometers of optical fiber. Even microscopic defects could weaken the global internet network. Protective coatings shield the delicate fibers from damage during installation. Thousands of fibers are combined to create astonishing data capacity. Here at the heart of the factory, the purest copper conductors are integrated into the deep-sea cable structure, built to last for decades.
Steel armor prepares the cable for one of the harshest environments on Earth. Multiple waterproof layers protect the cable from decades of exposure beneath the sea. The cable must cool perfectly to maintain structural integrity.
Everything is within tolerance on this segment. Confirmed. The scan data looks good.
Every stage of production is monitored around the clock.
The cable must survive immense forces during installation and operation.
The strain gauge readings are holding steady at 50 kilonewtons. Good. We should maintain this cycle frequency for the next 12 hours. The strain gauge readings are holding steady at 50 kilonewtons. Good. We should maintain this cycle frequency for the next 12 hours. At the deepest points of the ocean, pressure reaches crushing levels. Every fiber must deliver flawless performance across vast distances. Only after passing hundreds of inspections is the cable approved. Thousands of kilometers of cable are carefully stored before shipment.
All right, team, secure the load. Watch your spacing. Copy. Crane is clear to move.
These specialized ships are designed to install internet highways beneath the oceans.
The tension is holding steady at 5 kilonewtons.
All right, maintain that speed. We're clear to proceed with the next quadrant load.
Before departure, engineers map a safe route across the ocean floor. A massive undertaking begins. The crew works tirelessly to secure the cables as the tugboats guide the ship into the open ocean.
After leaving port, the vessel begins a journey spanning thousands of kilometers.
Before laying cable, engineers must understand every detail of the ocean floor.
Even a small mistake could threaten a connection used by millions.
Underwater robots provide a closer look at conditions far below the surface.
Detailed inspections help determine exactly where the cable will rest.
Every deployment system must function flawlessly before installation begins.
Hidden below deck lies the heart of the operation.
The installation process begins with extraordinary precision.
Tension is fluctuating slightly on gauge 3. Adjusting the feed rate now.
Maintaining the correct tension is critical throughout deployment.
Advanced positioning technology keeps the vessel on its planned route.
In deep water, the cable slowly settles onto the seabed, thousands of meters below.
At last, the cable reaches its final resting place.
Some projects require thousands of kilometers of cable across entire oceans.
Tension is holding steady at 5,000.
Copy that. Maintain speed.
As the coastline approaches, installation becomes far more complex. Near shore, cables must be buried for additional protection. The plow creates a protected pathway beneath the ocean floor. Once buried, the cable is protected from anchors, fishing gear, and surface activity.
The cable's journey from the ocean ends at a secure landing site.
From the beach, the connection continues through protected underground pathways.
These facilities serve as gateways between continents.
Each optical connection must be nearly perfect to minimize signal loss. Before activation, every kilometer of cable undergoes comprehensive testing.
Powerful monitoring systems oversee the flow of global information.
After months of manufacturing and installation, the first pulse of light begins its journey beneath the ocean. Messages, videos, financial transactions, and cloud services now travel through the cable at nearly the speed of light. Submarine cables connect the world's largest data centers, powering the digital economy. These underwater highways connect continents, economies, businesses, and billions of people.
Dedicated repair teams stand ready to protect one of humanity's most important infrastructures.
The attenuation is holding steady across all wavelengths.
Good. Let's proceed with the fusion splice.
Artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and streaming services all depend on these global fiber networks.
Most people never see the infrastructure that keeps the modern world connected. Thousands of meters below the surface, information never stops moving. Please. From a strand of ultra-pure glass to a network spanning entire oceans, submarine fiber optic cables